What is going on, everyone? It is Tuesday, April 7th, 2026. Going to be doing today's charting session as well as the YouTube video on how I made 11,000. Let's actually just do the math real quick. You know, I'll pull up the Ninja Trader. So we have 1,600 times 4. Then we have plus 1,400 plus 3,900 on the alpha. Yeah, so $11,716. Right. Let's get into it. So, coming into the morning, recently I haven't even really been approaching the market from like a crazy bias. Today we had London high swept, London low swept, Asia low swept, Asia high swept, and we were trading around true day open. So I was just saying, okay, maybe we could just get something like pretty clear and obvious. Let me go to the replay. So right here, oh, excuse me. Right, we had this 5-minute right here, and we had a really nice 30-second that gave us about, yeah, like 12.5 points in between the fair value gap and the 5-minute. So I wanted to see price rebalance this 5-minute and get a entry just a little 1-to-1, right? So we ended up keep dumping. So I was saying, okay, maybe we can create some equal loads. We can get an opportunity maybe to short, but overall I wanted this 5-minute. I didn't really want to take shorts. How many accounts? Oh, 30 messages. I don't even see this. How many accounts are we doing for CPI? I'm not doing any, so it's up to you guys. Did I miss something? Yes, I was butt ass naked. I might do some elite accounts. I'm not totally sure. Just don't quote me on it. What made you not want shorts? I just didn't like how overextended we were, so I didn't really want to see any more downside. Did I win the giveaway? I mean, you could. Do you want a funded hero account? Would you ever want to scale? I'm slowly scaling up right now. I'm working on alpha accounts right now as we speak. If anybody wants a funded hero account, just fucking let me know. They asked me. The hell? Okay, anyway. Right, so we had a flip in bullish order flow, or from bearish to bullish order flow. We respected this 1-minute right here, and then had this 30-second close above the fair value gap. I set a limit here with, actually I don't remember. Let's see if we can pull it up. Pull up the live execution of this shite. 7. I did do 7. Account? You mean accounts? Because this was on fucking 5 Tradeifys. Bro, I'm gonna be trading like this when I'm on the alphas too. Are you gonna link them all? Yes, I'm gonna link them all right here, Vanessa. See how I have my Tradeifys linked? Oh, I guess you can't see that. Hold on. I have my Tradeifys linked. All I'm gonna do is just enable it. Put the fries in the bag, AK. Maybe, yeah. Like 20. And then we took a little
All right. We've been waiting on this long for a while now.
here, wait, let me actually kind of go to the long that I was looking at. All right, CAK. Right. Very similar. Just waiting for bullish order flow to inverse a very premium 30-second to the equal highs. We ended up edging the inversion right here and then rocketing up before we get an entry. And on the same candle, this inversed the fair value gap. We inverted this. So I was like, shit, dude. I was actually like mad pressed because I wanted a winning day. Look. Was waiting on the closure. And I'm saying, okay, maybe we can just wait on this. And then yeah, and then I did a thing. I took the inversion without it being whatchamacallit.
Fuck you, NASDAQ.
Wait, what did Danny say? Stop over trading, chill. My first trade, by the way. How can you do 7 contracts? I have 100K accounts. The maximum position is 8. Yo, AK, she don't fuck with you. But yeah, so those were the 2 trades I took today. Dude, I seen a comment on my TikTok and it was like, does this guy ever lose? And then someone commented, if you were selling a course, would you post your losses? Bro. So you want to be 2 mil funded? I hate counting funded, like funding. Counting funding is so gay. Who the fuck cares about counting funding? You could be on Apex right now and get 4 250Ks and oh, I'm a 7-figure funded trader. No, but it's how you asked. It's nice, you know. Mm-hmm. What's up? Why didn't you put me in the TikTok live giveaway? I don't know, gang. Pack it up. Did anyone else take anything in PM? I didn't even really see anything that was really too obvious. I know Riley took the shorts. Yo, Loki, I have a question too. Why don't you ask? I mean, there's fucking. That's what this is for. I think Riley took this. I don't know what else anybody took. Vanessa, what is that crash out day? 47 trades? Come on. You were doing so good. Mm-mm-mm. All right, well, we're pretty much at, yo, let me get a funded hero account. Okay, I got you. Just DM me. How close is your model to PBs and why don't you trade similar as him? I saw the trade recaps and you had different narrative coming. I just trade my own way. It's similar. Obviously, it's using like inversion for value gaps, but I just be fucking trading. I don't know. I don't really care about what other people do. You go for equals in your premium for Vegas, but you can also target 5 minutes. Can you clarify targets? It's this. It's in the sauce tab, actually. Come on, brother. You just added some shit to the sauce tabs. Or the sauce tab. You know this. I might take off unfilled 15 minutes. 30-second? No. I do like your drawing cans, Ness. But no, 30-second equal highs and lows are not good. Only one or up? Yes, exactly. One more thing. Why don't you go for more than 1 R? Dude, look at the TP today. If I went for more than 1 R, I would have gotten break even. That happens a lot. I just go for 1 to 1. It's the win rate's really high with 1 to 1, so you know. That's how I like doing it. Yeah. Does anyone have any more questions? Is everyone good? I'm gonna make a YouTube video on March's price action and stuff. So I got to organize all of the trades that I took and stuff like that, and just answer a bunch of questions. Cool, good, good. What car do you drive? I drive any car I want. Just take one out of the rental fleet and have at it. Let's see, is there anybody new? Lysol pack. Lysol pack's pretty new. I know everyone else. Yo, Lysol and Rave, you guys fucking with the your purchase so far? Are you guys happy with the purchase that you've made joining the Discord? Let's fucking go. Yeah, we're gonna, keep it up tomorrow. One more trade. Yeah, let's see what my shit's at. I know for the elite account, I still need like 7 more days of 500 profit. And dude, I need like a 16K bow on the Tradeify. So it's gonna be a while until I get a payout, but just stick to it. At the end of this, it'll be a fucking fat ass payout. So it'll be nice. Anyway, if you are watching on YouTube, the link to join the Discord is going to be down below. If you are watching this in the recordings tab of the Discord, thank you guys for sticking to the end. And everyone in the charting session at the moment, appreciate you guys for showing up. Peace.